AI in education in India. The single biggest revolution in human learning isn't happening in Silicon Valley. It's happening in a classroom in Jaipur, in a village in Bihar, on a phone screen in rural Tamil Nadu. 250 million students, one of the most diverse education systems on the planet. And right now, artificial intelligence is rewriting everything. This is the story of AI in Indian education. The companies, the numbers, the government bets, and what if it all means for the next generation of learners. Stay with me because the numbers are absolutely crazy. The global prize. Let's start with the global picture, because the scale of this market is genuinely staggering. In 2025, the global AI in education market was worth $3.8 billion. By 2034, analysts project it hits $112 billion. That's a 36% CAGR, compounding year after year. And India isn't just watching from the sidelines. With its young population, exploding internet access, and over 1,500 EdTech startup, India is positioning itself as the global capital of AI-powered learning. India's own EdTech AI segment is projected to grow at 33.5% per year through 2034. The broader EdTech market, $30 billion by 2034. That's not a trend, that's a tidal wave. What AI actually does in the classroom. Okay, so what does AI in education actually mean in practice? Let's break it down. Number 1. Personalized learning. Every student is different. Some get calculus on the first read, others need 5 attempts. AI tracks where you're struggling in real time and adjusts. Quizzes change, difficulty shifts, explanations adapt. It's like having a private tutor scaled to millions. Number 2. 24/7 private tutor who is virtual. In a country where a student in a remote village might not have a qualified maths teacher, an AI chatbot that answers doubts at 11 p.m., that's life-changing. Number 3. Language. India speaks over 700 languages and dialects. AI is now translating textbooks, generating multilingual content, and making learning accessible for students who were previously left out of English-first systems. NCERT used AI to translate grade 1 and 2 textbooks into 22 Indian languages. 22. Number 4. Teacher superpowers. AI doesn't replace teachers, it amplifies them. Lesson plans, performance dashboards, attendance tracking, automated assessments. Teachers reclaim time and focus on what only humans can do, inspire. And right now, 62% of Indian educators are already using generative AI for lesson planning and feedback. That number is only going up. Now we come to the companies leading the charge. Who are the players actually building this? Let me walk you through India's EdTech power lineup. First, the giant, Byju's, the most well-known EdTech company in India, offering everything from K-12 to competitive exam preparation using AI-driven progress tracking and gamified content. It's been controversial. The company is going through financial and legal problems, but its scale is undeniable. Then there's PhysicsWallah, the underdog turned unicorn. Started as a YouTube channel by Alak Pandey, now $1 billion company. Their secret? Radical affordability and AI tools like Doubt Engine and Alak AI that give instant answers. Currently the most profitable edtech in India. Unacademy, home to over 50 million students, dominates UPSC, JEE and NEET preparation with AI-powered live classes. Vedantu built their proprietary Wave platform for real-time AI-assisted tutoring. And Upgrad is cornering the professional upskilling market, partnering with IITs, Wharton, and global universities. And the ecosystem keeps growing. Class Plus, Doubtnut, Testbook, Simplilearn, each carving out niches, each deploying AI deeper into the learning stack. This isn't just a few startups, this is an entire industry reorienting around artificial intelligence. The government bet. Here's what makes India's story different from every other country. This isn't just private sector ambition. The Indian government has gone all in. The National Education Policy 2020 mandates AI integration at every level of education. CBSE already offers AI as a subject from class 6 to class 12. The ICICI board from 25-26 robotics and AI are official subjects. But here's the headline move in the Union Budget 2025. The government allocated 500 crore, that's roughly $60 million, to build a National Center of Excellence in AI for Education, a hub that will partner with IITs, run AI learning labs, and fund research fellowships. AICTE declared 2025 the year of AI, rolling out programs to 40 million students across 14,000 institutions. And the boldest move, India plans to introduce AI curriculum in every school from grade 3, starting from 26-27. From grade 3, let that sink in. The numbers and the honest truth. Now let's look at the numbers that show how real this already is. 91% of education leaders believe AI will significantly transform how we teach and assess students by next year. 8 lakh students are already enrolled in AI courses across 4,500 plus schools. India needs 1.25 million AI professionals by 2027. Right now, it has around 6,50,000. The pipeline needs to double, and education is the only way to get there. But here's where I'm going to be real with you, because no story is complete without the hard part. Only 27% of Indian students have consistent access to internet-enabled devices. 32 million children are still out of school entirely. And in Tier 3 cities and villages, the digital divide is a wall, not a gap. The AI revolution in Indian education is real, but it is not evenly distributed, not yet. And that is the central challenge this generation has to solve. So the verdict is here. So here's where we land. India has the students, it has the startup, it has the government will, and it has the hunger. A $112 billion global market is forming. India is not just participating, it is building the infrastructure that will define how 1 billion people learn for the next 50 years. Physics Wala started as a YouTube channel. Now it's $1 billion AI education company. Vedantu built a virtual whiteboard that serves millions. The government is putting real money behind this, not just rhetoric. The question isn't whether AI will transform Indian education. That's already happening. The question is, will it reach every student? The kid in Rajasthan without Wi-Fi? The girl in Assam whose textbook isn't in her language, the first generation learner who just needs one good teacher or one very smart algorithm to unlock their potential. That is the real story, and it's still being written. If this video gave you any new perspective, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment. Do you think AI will solve India's education gap or deepen it? I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.